There's Fritz. Check out his new food he got from my mom. It's an orange. What's that? What are you drinking, buddy? Is that your milk?
My orange.
That's your orange. What else is in there? Look at all that stuff. Are you gonna get some other stuff out? Or is that just gonna be your breakfast this morning? Okay. Brian, what are you doing? That's not real food. Go away. You too, cat. Come on, man. We're trying to have a moment. Jeez, you guys are always getting in on the moments. Got some good milk. You gonna make a sandwich like you did last night? Make a sandwich. That is the hot dog bun. You put the hot dog in there. Where's your hot dog? I can see it right there. What's that? What is that? Spaghetti pancake? Some milk? Mmm. Hey, Brian, get out of here. Cat, go away. You drinking your milk? Mmm, chugga chugga lugga. Looks delicious. What else are you gonna make? Don't you want some sauce on that spaghetti? No? Okay. What's that? Oh, hot dog. Hot dog goes in there, you're right. You gotta put it in the right direction. There you go. That looks good. Alright. Oh, you dropped your dog. Oh, good. Stayed in. Yeah. Oh, what's that?
I don't care.
Jimmy crack corn, you don't care? How's that egg? Oh, you're gonna make an egg sandwich. That's good. No, okay. That's a wish sandwich. Wish sandwich. Oh, egg goes on the outside. I see. What else can you put on that sandwich? An apple? Oh, there you go. Hamburger. Oh, tomato. Alright, perfect. Oh, the egg goes on the outside though still, right? Where's the toast? You just made a sandwich out of it. Here's your toast. You got one piece and the other piece. There you go. That's like Australian style there.
I don't say, but just go.
Some crack corn. What's left in there, buddy? Let's see.
Banana.
Oh,
That's my banana.
a banana. What do you got in your other hand? You know what those are? What are those?
Cucumbers.
Cucumbers, you're right. Put that on your spaghetti. Thanks. Fritz. I'm not gonna be able to keep it out of his mouth.
Massage.
Yeah. I sent my mom the New York Times article about eating dirt. Alright, I gotta go to school. Here, have some chicken before I go. Alright, I gotta sign off.